welcome. Today I am no doing no hello to welcome. Today I'm in Scratch. I am going to be showing you guys a beginner's guide for Scratch, and stay tuned because I will show you how to make this guy say 6-7. Okay, so let's start. So if we get this move, that is how we make this guy move. So we click on it and he moves. Drag him back and he moves more. Can you see? Yeah. So move, move a lot. Meow, 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 meow. So he moves. Now, if we get this event, when the green flag is clicked, when we hit this, he moves. So now we can click this button. So let's just say we get something like forever. If we put this forever here, what do you guys think will happen? Correct. When we click the green flag, it's going to permanently move 10 steps. Now, this is something I've learned. Instead of 10 steps, you do 0.6. And you copy that, you duplicate it, and you duplicate one last time. Now, guys, you cannot skip this by doing, like, let's say 4. So I have 6 here. You can't, like, skip this by doing just 1. Wait, let me do some calculation. 12. No, so 12. You can't do like 3.6. Like, that doesn't work. You need to do 0.6 6 times. Look at that. Isn't that really smooth? I need to stop it. So that's how you make a move. Now just keep that in mind, guys, because that is going to be really handy. Now you can duplicate it to make them go extra fast, although it might not be as smooth. So let's just delete this. Oops, delete all that. So now I'm going to show you how to change your sprite. So hit this bin. Gone. Alright, now you hit this button and down in the bottom. Alright, look at this. You choose what sprite you want. Let's say, oh, I want this ball. So this ball, we click on him, and you have all the code again. So let's just copy that over again. Now you have this ball. You can use him. You can use all the other sprites. Now you know this background here. Open it up. You see all this. We just have a ball that does nothing. What I'm gonna get here is I'm gonna get background. Now you can choose any of these backgrounds you want. I think I am gonna choose. Let's do a neon tunnel. So now we have a ball in a neon tunnel. Now what we can do with this ball. Now I'm just gonna skip this because I'm gonna copy back the stuff that I already did. Although I will show you whenever I'm finished. Alright, so we have this, and as you can see, it moves. Now, this is something interesting. So this is a really important when green flag clicked. Green flag is basically just when it starts. So now, whenever it starts, we go into this and we go to point towards. Now this is point towards mouse pointer. Now, this means that as soon as it starts, it points towards there and it moves. But if we want it to constantly look at our mouse pointer, this is what we have to do. We have to go into control and we have to find forever. Now that it does it forever, look, it constantly is moving. I can see it's following it. Bing, ding, 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 ding. So as you can see, it now follows my cursor. You guys can experiment with what implements you can do, and then I will post. If you've seen my other videos, I have shown this happening, and I can show you guys a new version of that game if you want after this. So this is cool. And what we're doing here is this is just moving, and we're making it permanently move this amount. Duplicate it, makes it go faster. And then we're making it permanently look at our mouse right here, as you can see, arrow towards the mouse. Now, after this, if we do, sorry, now that is done. What do you guys think we could do with this? Do you think we could make like an obstacle course or something? Well, this is what I'm going to show you guys. Another thing, you can change the size of this guy. So let's just say change size by 10. I guess 10 bigger. But you can also do negative 10. Oops. 10. Bam. So when we click this, it shrinks. And small size is 11. We can also make this like bam. Whoa. That is a big boy. It's a big boy. Wee. Alright. So you can fiddle around with the size and so small. Alright. I'm just gonna revert this back to normal. You can also do, whenever green flag clicked, change size by 10 if you're making a game where your thingy has to be smaller to make it harder. So like, let's say you were doing this and then you go across, you're finished, press it again and it gets bigger. And like, oh no, it's so hard. So then you're gonna want it to start at like 40. And then you open this up and you go bam, and then bam, and then bam, then bam, and it just gets bigger each time you win, and eventually it's impossible, so you need to restart. So you can also do something like that. What costume do we want? We want Ball B. Ball B. So when we click events and we click when green flag clicked, when we click it, look what happens. You change blue. So that is how you change your color as well.